The first step to creating the perfect cat liner is following the natural shape of your lower and upper lash line. We're going to be connecting these lines for the easiest application. Grab your liner and follow your lower lash line to the outer corners of your eyes. Draw a line as if you are extending your lower lash line upwards. Bring it out as far as you like. I personally prefer to keep my line just above my crease area. Now that you have the basic line for the look, rim your upper lash line with thin strokes of product. Also try and keep the thinnest part of your liner along the inner corners of your eyes. Once you're done, position your liner at the top part of your previous line. Then carefully draw on a sideways line that connects to the outer part of your upper lash line. Define the shape by filling in any space left between each line. Now taking a darker liner, thicken out the entire shape for a more defined, dramatic look. And you're done. I hope this video made your life a tad easier, so thanks for watching. Bye! Music, Collins Avenue.